Have you been thinking about joining Pampered Chef as an independent consultant? March 2021 has got some amazing opportunities for new consultants who joined this month. Hi, I'm Jordan, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Jordan, and I'm an independent Pampered Chef consultant, and I wanted to talk to you about the amazing opportunities that are available for new consultants who join Pampered Chef this month. So first up, you can get started with your new side gig for just $39. We've got a special new consultant kit that's only available for this month. And with that $39, besides getting started with your new side gig, you get a couple of things in your kit. So first up, you get one of the new Pampered Chef aprons, and you also get the small mix-and scraper. You get a chili lime seasoning. This is delicious, you'll love it. And you also get the 10-inch cast iron skillet. So this is actually the 12-inch, but so you can see what it looks like. You also get a handful of resources. So you'll get a collection of the new Season's Best cookbooks, so you can hand out to some of your new potential customers. And same thing, you'll get a handful of the new Pampered Chef Spring and Summer catalog to hand out. So you'll also get your own personal website, so you can start selling immediately. And you have access to the entire library of the Pampered Chef images, videos, and other resources that you need to get selling. So you are able to push that out on your social media. You can print business materials, and you also have access to the entire library of the Pampered Chef training. So it's basically Pampered Chef University. Everything that you need to know about running your Pampered Chef business is available in there, and it's broken down into units and sections that are really easy to follow along, and it just really prepares you to get set up in whatever your goal is as a Pampered Chef consultant, whether it is just having a little extra fun money, or if you want to put a lot of effort into it, you know exactly what you need to get your business going. So there's that. Now we also have the other new consultant kits that are always available, so you can check those out too if you'd like more in your consultant kit. So we've got the $99 kit, which is the starter kit. That's got over $400 of value of Pampered Chef products. And there's also the Deluxe kit, which is $159, and that's got 700 plus value in products over there. So that's the first part of why March is a great time if you've been considering joining Pampered Chef. Now, second, when you join Pampered Chef as a new consultant, we've got a system called the Fast Track Rewards program. So as you are making sales and earning a commission, which by itself I feel is a pretty good incentive. We all want to make money selling stuff and making commission. So on top of that, in the Fast Track Rewards, you can earn cash bonuses and products as you sell. So the fast tracks, that's always consistent in terms of what you can earn, but this month there are extra incentives. So if in your first 30 days of being a new consultant, if you can sell $500 in commissionable sales, you earn the Quick Cooker, which is this guy right here. This is one of my favorite things in my kitchen. It cooks food so fast, makes it flavorful and delicious. I love this thing. $500, that's not hard to do. So there's that. Now, if you can sell $1,250 in your first 30 days, then you earn the brand new Pampered Chef Deluxe Electric Grill and Griddle. This is definitely my favorite thing in my kitchen. It is amazing. If you haven't seen any of the videos on this, you have to go check it out, because this does so much, and it can replace like 3 different small appliances in your kitchen with one, and it's just, it cooks fast, it's easy to use and it's easy to clean, which that's one of my favorite things about it. Anyway, so those opportunities I think are just absolutely amazing if you've been thinking about becoming an independent Pampered Chef consultant. And again, I feel like I love being a Pampered Chef consultant. It is fun. I enjoy doing it. It's not like hard to do. It does take some time and effort if you're willing to put that in, but like it's a great opportunity. So everything that you get with your consulting kit and the training and everything, that's available to you no matter who you join with. But I have to say that the team that I am on is just absolutely fantastic. So even though I know that I can find whatever I need to know in the Pampered Chef Dash training, the ladies and gentlemen on my team are so knowledgeable and encouraging, and like if I have a question, I can get it answered in less than 5 minutes. And I know for my own personal team, like my best friend is a Pampered Chef consultant also, so we love to get together and cook and try out new things and just are always talking about ways to improve our business and just doing things traditionally and trying new things all the time. So, you know, I really like to make videos and use social media to reach out to people. So that's my style. And if that sounds like something that you would be interested in also, I'd like to invite you to join my team so we can work together. Anyway, if you found this video informative and helpful and you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel or follow along on Facebook over at In the Kitchen with Jordan. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.